Today we're showing you a 2003 John Deere 8120 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. The tractor has 208 horsepower. It is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. The tractor is in excellent condition, mechanically and cosmetically. It has just over 2,500 hours on it. Again, 208 horsepower. The paint is in really nice shape on the tractor. It does have the front weight carrier and 8 front weights on it. Has GreenStar Ready wiring harness. It's got Firestone Radial tires. Looks to be the original tires front and back. The fronts have approximately 25% tread life remaining. It's got the Deluxe front fenders on it. Corner post exhaust. Beltline Lights. It's got mirrors on both sides of the cab. Work lights on top of the cab and back of the cab. Extremity Lights. Axle hub duals. Treads in nice shape on the duals in the inners yet. You have approximately 50 to 60% tread of those tires. You get side and rear work lights on the fender and the cab. Quick hitch goes with it. Has a top link also to go with it. Has one set of rear wheel weights. Double check the listing, but I believe that's a 625 kilogram large 1000 PTO shaft. Hammer strap there with the drawbar. Very, very clean tractor. One slight imperfection that I failed to point out in the first video there. The hood is slightly cracked back here. It's not broken. It's solid yet, but it is cracked a little bit there, so just wanted to make you aware of that. Inside the cab, it's nice and clean in here. It's not perfect. It's got a little bit of deterioration here in the interior panel. Tilt steering wheel, telescopic steering wheel, clutch and brake down below. It's got the power shift transmission, which is right here in the armrest. Hand throttle also in the armrest. PTO 3-point and hydraulic controls all right here in the armrest. Also have your display board and settings over here to the right. So have a display panel up front here. Up top you've got the radio. You got your sun visor rear view mirror there as well. It's got the Deluxe multi power strip over there to the right. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions, please contact us.